Just like state affairs going on, but ultimate aim is to keep the government satisfied. Then he'll get everything nicely. Similarly, the supreme government or supreme governor is God. That is your duty, to keep him satisfied. Then you get all direction, all facilities, and that is the aim. But these rascals, they do not know what is government or who is the governor. They are doing anything whimsically, and they punish. Prakriti is there. Prakriti is there. Government does not want that you suffer, but you violate the government's law, therefore suffer. That these rascals do not understand. They declare there is no government. So, this is foolishness, ignorance. Mudha. There is government, he sees, and still he is rascal. He says, no, I don't care for anyone. There is no government. That is atheism, that is hooliganism.
So these so-called...
He is dying, he doesn't want to die, but still he says, there is no authority. He is suffering, he is becoming old. He doesn't want to become old, but he is so rascal, he does not question why I am becoming old. So therefore they are all rascals. He says I am independent, but he is forced to do something, and he still is independent. What is the remedy? Just like prisoner, he doesn't want to wear, then the constable comes and kicks him, slaps him, he still says, no, I am independent, I don't care for you. What is this? Palavana to bhai.
A person already has a position where he doesn't have to experience birth, death, old age like that. So if they argue like that, why doesn't God give us that position where we can enjoy without those conditions?
God has giving him the position that you obey me, and you get the provision. But because you are rascal, you are not obeying, you are suffering.
Just like a hog takes stool instead of sweetmeat. The hoggish mentality.
That is God's mercy, that he wants to eat stool, and God has given you. All right, you eat. Take this bottle.